name is Maria and I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to add and subtract fractional integers. So actually integers are numbers that include negative and positive whole numbers as well as zero. So they actually don't have to be written as fractions. So the only way I would represent an integer as a fraction is, for example, if you had 6 over 3 plus 4 over 2. So at first glance these might look like fractions, but they're actually integers because I can go ahead and divide and do 6 divided by 3 to get 2, plus I can divide 4 divided by 2 to get 2. So now they are indeed integers, right? And 2 plus 2 is 4. So if you're talking about fractions that are actually integers, then go ahead and divide and make them integers first, and then add them to get your number, all right? But if we're adding fractions that are not integers, and maybe we just get an integer as an answer, like if we had 1/2 plus 1/2, all right? If you ever have the same denominator in a problem, you can go ahead and keep that denominator and just add the numerators. So now I've got 1 plus 1, which is 2, and my answer is 2 over 2, but I can simplify that and make that an integer because 2 divided by 2 is just 1. All right, so that is how you add and subtract fractional integers.